The most common function you'll use in Excel is sum. I'm going to click on the cell B9 and delete what I have in B9 because this is where I want to show my sum. What I'd like to do is sum the 4 yellow cells. So while I'm sitting on B9, I don't have to press the equals key. Instead, in my ribbon, and particularly the Home tab, to the right hand side, there's a button called AutoSum, and it has the Greek symbol sigma. If I click on the AutoSum button, Excel wiggles around what it thinks I want to sum, and it thinks I want to sum B4 to B8. The colon is read as a 2 and is used to indicate a range of cells. If this was correct and that's exactly what I do want to sum, I'll just press enter, and I end up with the answer 100. If I click on the cell B9 and look up in my formula bar, I can see I have the sum of B4 to B8. If I don't want to sum B4 to B8, I'll delete what's in B9. I'll hit the AutoSum button on my ribbon again, and this time I'll choose what I want to sum. So I might click on B4 and press the comma and click on B6. The comma indicates AND. This says I want to sum B4 and B6. And if I press enter, I end up with the answer 40. If I delete that and go for my AutoSum button again, I could click on a particular cell like B4, press the comma, and then drag over B6 to B7. And now I'm summing B4 and B6 to B7. And when I press enter, I end up with the answer 80.